Have you ever wondered what GPT stands for in ChatGPT? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Well, that's not so easy to understand, but let's begin with the last word, transformer. A transformer is a type of a neural network that is designed to process natural language text, like a book or a newspaper article. The transformer uses a special technique to transform the words and sentences into a new representation which captures the important information that is needed to understand the meaning. It's like a small summary. It transforms the text. This approach is super useful for tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text generation. Let's go to the P now, pre-trained. A pre-trained model is a machine learning model that has been trained on a large dataset and which can be fine-tuned to a new task or dataset. This is useful for us since we don't need to train a model from scratch. We can use an existing model and fine-tune it to match our own needs. Finally, G, generative. Generative refers to the ability of the model to generate new text that is similar in style and content to the dataset it was trained on. For example, if we train a model on all New York Times news articles, we can use this model to generate new news articles that are similar in style and content to the original New York Times articles. So GPT is an artificial intelligence model that is pre-trained and can understand text and generate new text that looks like it has been written by humans. Of course, this explanation is extremely simplified as the technology behind this is extremely complex. However, I do hope that now you have a better idea what GPT in ChatGPT actually stands for.